Discover the 3 fish you should eat to add years to your life. Fish are the crowning jewels of the sea when it comes to boosting health and extending our years. But not every fish swims in the same league for health benefits. Today, we reel in the 3 top fish that deserve a prominent place on your plate for their exceptional health properties. And stay tuned until the end, as I'll unveil 3 fish you should steer clear of, including one that's bound to surprise you. You won't believe which one it is. Number 1. Wild-caught salmon. Let's cast our line and reel in the first catch of the day, the illustrious wild-caught salmon. No shocker here, as I've sung its praises before, but let's dive a bit deeper. This fish isn't just swimming in omega-3 fatty acids essential for quelling inflammation. It's also teeming with selenium and vitamin B12, forming a triad of nutrients that are the cornerstone of cellular health and vitality. Now, you might wonder about the presence of heavy metals, common culprits that lurk in our seas. Well, salmon's softer tissues don't harbor these unwelcome guests, making it a safer choice for regular consumption. But there's a catch you should be aware of. Ensure it's truly wild-caught. Seasonality can affect availability, often leading to frozen options. Here's a net full of good news. If your wild-caught salmon is frozen, rest assured, it's just as nutritious. Flash freezing shortly after the catch locks in the goodness, keeping the salmon as nutrient-dense as the day it was caught. So, whether you're grilling, baking, pan-searing, wild-caught, frozen or fresh, salmon is a healthful staple that navigates past common seafood pitfalls, straight onto your plate of wholesome choices. Number 2. Sardines. For the second spotlight in our oceanic lineup, let's bring the humble sardine to the surface. You may only know them as the tiny fish from the can, but it's time to expand that view. Sardines are nutritional giants, vastly underestimated for their health benefits. They're exceptionally high in omega-3 fatty acids and selenium, both warriors against cellular damage and champions for your thyroid health, and they are a brilliant source of copper, necessary for strong collagen which keeps our joints and gut lining robust. These little fish are far less likely to be burdened with heavy metals compared to their larger aquatic counterparts, a significant plus for those concerned with purity. And let's dispel the myth about canned goods. Modern canning has evolved with health in mind, reducing contaminants like BPA, especially in sardines packed in high-quality oils. But how do you integrate these pint-sized powerhouses into your diet? It's simpler than you might think. Add them to salads for a punch of protein, layer them on whole-grain toast with a slice of avocado, or blend them into a savory spread for a nutrient-dense dip. They're not just a snack. They're a superfood that can elevate your meals with minimal effort. And for those still on the fence due to the canned factor, remember that the quality of canned sardines has significantly improved. Many are now offered in BPA-free cans and packed in olive oil, which helps maintain their nutritional integrity. Embrace sardines for what they truly are: a convenient, sustainable, and healthful choice that punches well above its weight in the dietary world. Number 3. Mussels. Steering away from traditional fish, our third spotlight shines on an unexpected contender: mussels. These shell-bound treasures, often mistaken for mere seafood filler, are about to reveal their true colors as dietary gems. Mussels are not just another shellfish. They're protein boosters, providing one of the most potent, gram-for-gram protein sources you can find. This makes them an excellent ally in maintaining muscle mass and supporting overall health, especially as we age. Their nutritional prowess extends further, with exceptional levels of omega-3 fatty acids, vital for brain health and reducing inflammation, and selenium, a key player in antioxidant defense and thyroid function. Moreover, mussels are a treasure trove of trace minerals, essential for a myriad of bodily functions, from bone health to immune response. Incorporating mussels into your diet is a breeze and can add a touch of sophistication to your meals. They can be steamed in a fragrant broth of garlic, wine, and herbs for a simple yet elegant dish, or added to paellas, seafood stews, and pasta for a boost of flavor and nutrients. Mussels pair well with a variety of ingredients, making them a versatile component of your culinary repertoire. Some might hesitate at the thought of shellfish due to concerns over contaminants or the intimidation of preparation. However, mussels defy these concerns with their filter-feeding nature, which makes them less prone to accumulating heavy metals compared to other seafood. Plus, they're one of the most sustainable seafood choices, cultivated with minimal environmental impact. By choosing mussels, you're not just opting for a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet. You're also making a choice that supports the health of our oceans. So next time you're pondering your protein sources, consider the mussel, a small but mighty force for your health and the planet's. And now, let's discuss 3 fish I recommend you keep off your plate. Number 1. Shark. The titans of the ocean are at the top of the food chain, preying on other fish that already carry a high mercury load. This bioaccumulation of mercury makes consuming sharks not only a health hazard, but also a sustainability nightmare. Their long gestation periods add another layer of concern, as catching a pregnant shark significantly impacts population sustainability and, by extension, the marine ecosystem at large. When sharks are removed from the equation, it disrupts the balance, potentially affecting the availability of the seafood we rely on for health benefits. Opting out of consuming sharks is a step toward preserving these crucial marine balances. Number 2. Tuna. A staple in many diets, comes with its own set of complexities. While not all tuna should be avoided, it's important to navigate this category with care. The dense flesh of many tuna species acts like a sponge for heavy metals, including mercury. If you're choosing tuna, opt for U.S. yellowfin, which tends to have lower levels of contaminants. However, steer clear of albacore, especially the canned variety, as it's known to carry up to 3 times the amount of heavy metals found in other types. Your best bet? Go for chunk-light tuna, which generally offers a safer choice. Number 3. Tilapia. Finally, we come to tilapia, a fish farmed extensively under conditions that are less than ideal. Far from the wild, these fish are raised in environments that often don't adhere to strict quality standards. The adaptability of tilapia to low-quality feed, including waste, results in a nutritionally inferior product. This closed-loop system of farming may seem efficient, but it raises questions about the nutritional value and purity of the fish. It's a vivid example of why the source of your seafood matters as much as the choice of seafood itself. However, not all farmed tilapia suffer from these conditions. To get a healthier and safer tilapia, look for fish from farms that are certified by recognized bodies such as the Aquaculture Stewardship Council, ASC, or the Best Aquaculture Practices, BAP. These certifications ensure that the tilapia you're purchasing is raised in high-quality water conditions with responsible feed, including no reliance on wild fish stocks, and that the farming practices have minimal environmental impact. Additionally, farms that provide their tilapia with high-quality, nutritionally rich feed produce healthier fish. Tilapia labeled as organically farmed may also adhere to stricter regulations regarding their feed and farming conditions. As we anchor this discussion, it's crucial to remember that while the ocean's bounty offers vast opportunities for nourishing our bodies, making informed choices is key. Whether it's opting for seafood rich in omega-3s and trace minerals or avoiding those with a high risk of contamination, every choice we make has a ripple effect on our health and the planet. It's also wise to consult with a healthcare professional, such as a doctor or dietitian, before making significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized advice that considers your unique health needs and goals. For more insights into navigating the world of nutrition and maintaining a balanced, healthy diet, I invite you to dive deeper into our channel. Here, you'll discover a sea of information designed to guide you through making the healthiest choices for your lifestyle. So, cast your net wide, explore our other videos, and continue your journey toward optimal health with us. Your next discovery is just a click away.